Hi, my name's David Sickles. Welcome to FE on the Road. When you're shopping for tires for your fleet, what's your goal? Are you hoping to maximize mileage so your tires will last as long as possible? Or maybe you're hoping to find the lowest rolling resistance you can to save on fuel costs. Is it possible to find a tire that's the best of both worlds? Although tire manufacturers are making technological leaps in tire design and rubber compounding year after year, they all still face what they call the target conflict between mileage and rolling resistance. This means that improving one of these characteristics in the tire typically reduces performance in the other area. However, there are a few things you can do on the service side that will help maximize both your tire's mileage and keep rolling resistance at peak performance. First, make sure your air pressure is at the proper place. This will not only help you with getting maximum fuel efficiency, but it will also help eliminate irregular wear and other detrimental tire conditions. Also, be sure to check your vehicle's alignment as part of your regular service checks. Also, while there's no arguing rolling resistance matters in every segment since the goal for every vehicle is to maximize gas mileage, it might not matter so much for your application as it does for others. For example, construction and off-road tires generally have other condition factors that outweigh rolling resistance like durability and traction. In these applications, the robustness and retreadability of a tire will likely outweigh the need for fuel efficiency, where in long-haul or regional application, fuel efficiency is usually king. This is because in these applications, the vehicles are not only traveling more miles, but they're also typically traveling at higher speeds. Higher speeds generate more heat, and this increases fuel consumption. Keep in mind too that tire manufacturers continue to shorten this gap between mileage and rolling resistance. Sometimes companies can make minor sacrifices in areas like tread depth or casing weight to help maximize mileage and rolling resistance, so be sure to do your research before making your next tire investment. If you're investing in premium tires for your trucks and are keeping those tires properly maintained, you're likely already getting the best bang for your buck. For more trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.